got it. All right, guys. Love y'all.
3, 2, 1, action.
Good morning.
Okay.
See you later. Love you. Thank you. 8:58, you said?
850.
Nice.
850. All right, let's see.
We're on the road.
We're on the road again.
We had to say goodbye to our friends this morning. Everybody came down to say goodbye. That was so nice.
Yes, they did. It was a fun week.
It was.
It was a surprisingly fun week. We
Yeah.
did not anticipate getting together with everybody, and
No.
it worked out really, really
Yeah.
well.
They're all so nice.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Good to see friends again.
Yeah.
So we are on the road before 9 a.m.
Yes. You're welcome.
We are headed to a harvest host in New Mexico tonight. We're going to meet Roger Jones there. Roger got about a 3-hour start on us.
Yeah.
So we are headed for a harvest host in Clovis, New Mexico.
Yay. And it's a beautiful day.
It is a
It's a
great
beautiful day
trail.
for a drive.
Yeah. So we enjoyed the weather in Tucson, headed back to cooler weather.
Yes, but that's okay
Yep.
because I want to see our new fifth wheel, so I'm excited.
Man, this road is tough.
It is. I'm hoping to get you
All
in.
right, Arizona, we'll be back in a few weeks.
Yay! That's always nice to look forward to.
Yep.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every...
Hey, I gotta ask everybody. We just passed a sign back there that said "The Thing." Big billboards. The Thing. Stop and see The Thing.
What is the thing?
What is The Thing? I don't know. Have any of you stopped at any of those tourist facilities like The Thing, or a giant octopus, or a giant
We
lion?
saw the world's largest pistachio nut.
We did. So,
That was
have any of you
cool.
guys stopped by any of those places like The Thing? Stop and see The Thing.
But you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong.
Good morning.
We're not young, but we're so free.
Oh, there's a kitty. Squirrel. We are here at the alpaca farm, and I get to feed some alpacas. I'm so excited. And there's a horse over there, too, I have to love on. What's his name? Brutus. And this over here is Brutus, the farm cat. Hi, honey. Oh, my goodness.
'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me too.
Well, that was fun.
It was so fun.
It was a nice little stop.
Oh man, I could have stayed there longer.
Yeah.
We definitely need to go back.
The wind
It's pretty
was
cool.
out of the north though, and it was pretty darn cold.
It is cold.
Computer, what's the weather in Elk City, Oklahoma?
Currently, in Elk City, Oklahoma, it's 44 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 49 degrees and a low of 25 degrees.
That's not bad.
That's doable.
We can do that.
Yeah, we can do that. Yay.
All right, so we're back on the road. We're following Roger Jones. He stayed the night with us, and he's headed back to Wichita. We're headed back to Elk City, and we're just going to kind of caravan along. And
Yeah.
got to find a blue beacon, though.
Oh my gosh.
The rig
It
is
is
filthy.
It's grainy filthy.
Yes,
It's
it
awful.
is. All right,
Chasing pavement on my own.
get on the road here.
Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me too.
Gonna be a warm one today.
It is. It's going to be like, what, mid-60s?
Yeah, close to 70, I think. Oh, Alicia's here.
She's so cute. Yoo-hoo! Is it really today? It's You do.
And you wore the perfect shirt.
I know, I'm red.
What is today?
Today is the day. The day.
For new
Reveal.
beginnings.
The reveal.
The reveal. Ooh,
The reveal of.
amazing.
So what's your plan?
We're gonna hop in this car here, and we're gonna, me and Kelly, we're gonna down the road a little bit, and we're gonna find the perfect spot to video it going down the road, and then I'm gonna pass it a couple of times, and then we're gonna beat it here.
Hopefully she won't get pulled over.
I'm not gonna speed.
Okay.
I got my coffee. I'm ready.
It's almost time.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your shadow stretching on the floor.
Oh, that
While the
isn't it?
sun gets low.
Yeah,
I got
it
a
is.
feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. No obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through.
Are you
Yeah.
ready?
It is.
You ready to see it?
We'll see you in a day or two, I guess.
Yeah, I'll be back here probably.
Ooh, oh my gosh. So excited. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Kevin.
Oh.
Be careful.
Well, what do you think?
I am in heaven. It's beyond what I expected.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
it's finally here.
Yes, it's finally here.
What do you guys think? Let us know. So we've got many weeks of building inside. We told you that at the beginning of this process, and we got a lot of work to do.
We do.
We're gonna update you. We're gonna kind of follow our build as we go along. We're gonna put solar in. We're gonna put some cabinets in. We're gonna put a refrigerator in. We're
coffee bar.
Coffee bar. So we've got some special things we're gonna do on the coach. We're gonna show you how it looks today. Next week, we're gonna take you on a tour, show you what it's like, compare it to the original MX450 model, and show you what our ideas are, or Alicia's ideas are, on building this beautiful coach for us.
Just for us.
Just for us.
I want to move in now. I'm so excited.
So we're going to be here a few weeks. We're going to take you along with us. We're going to show you how we install the solar, what we're installing for solar. We're going to show you how they're building the interior and how they go through the PDI process. It's quite a process, and we're really excited.
Yeah, yes.
All right, so you've seen the coach
On the outside.
on the outside. So thanks for coming along, guys. We will talk to you next week from Elk City, Oklahoma.
It all starts with an idea.
Okay, bye-bye.
This is our idea.